everyone, it's great to have you all tuned in. Body scrubs are not only great exfoliators, but the rubbing action against the skin boosts blood circulation. In today's video, I'll share with you my favorite scrub recipe that you can do it yourself. These are great for oily skin as well as dry skin. I personally infuse them with roses, all thanks to my love for flowers. Not only do they smell divine, but regular usage ensures glowier skin, it removes dead skin cells, helps loosen your blackheads, and also keeps your ingrown hair at bay. So if you want to learn this super simple scrub recipe, jump on in and let's get rolling. For this, you will need fresh roses, which is my choice. You can also use dried flowers like lavender, chamomile, etc. Then a cup of sugar. The alternatives are brown, coconut or cane. Half a cup of Epsom salt. The alternatives here are sea salt or pink Himalayan salt or any salt that's great for scrubs. And quarter cup of almond oil. Of course, you can use olive or coconut here. Then pick the rose petals from the rose. You will need about 15 to 20 or even more depending on how you like the color. You can use any color rose or even skip roses if you don't like them, but this is what gives the beautiful color to the scrub and makes it smell like heaven. Finally, an essential oil of your choice, which is also optional. Now, put all the dry ingredients to a food processor first and then add the oils. I like to use about 15 drops of rose essential oil along with the almond oil here. Blend it for about a minute until the granules are finely powdered. Now, scoop it into a jar of your choice and this scrub is ready to be used on your wet face, hands or body. If you have oily skin, this scrub helps unclog the pores and reduce oil buildup. For dry skin, it acts as a great exfoliator and brings in the glow. Such an easy, simple, versatile scrub to have for all those pampering sessions. I hope you all enjoyed this super simple DIY scrub recipe that I personally enjoy using. Please do give it a try and let me know in the comment section down below or on my Instagram handle as to how you like it. As always, like, share, comment, and if you're new here, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon to get notified every time I have a new upload. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.